Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome to my channel and make sure to go ahead and subscribe before you go and hit the bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video on Wednesday and Saturday each week. So today in this video, I wanted to do another marble nail design. I fell in love with these marble nails when I did my nails in not my last video, I think it was the video before, those nails that you see me with the orange and red, kind of like a flame marble design. And I've fallen in love with this marbling technique, so I wanted to do another video just to kind of show you guys again how I do it and how easy it is to do, because it's really easy. So all I do is I put the colors on the nail that I'm gonna use, and in this first nail that I'm doing, this thumb, sorry about being freaking out of frame, but it is, I think I put too much polygel because it's a little bit thicker than I usually, yeah, why are you out of frame though? Anyways, it's a little thicker than I usually like to do it, because you don't want the whole nail to be too thick. So what I recommend is just using less polygel, because you're gonna have to go in and cap it or encapsulate it with clear anyway, so you don't need to use too much polygel. So that's just a tip. But anyway, after I do the swirl and I get it more or less how I want it, I just go in with the brush and my 70% alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, and I just kind of pat it down to smooth it out, and then that's it. It's that easy. You just move on to the next one. And just like when you're doing acrylic or any other kind of marble, you don't want to manipulate the colors too much, because then they are eventually gonna mix. So because it's polygel, you do have a lot more time to work with it, but you still don't want to work too much because the colors are eventually going to mix together. So I try not to, mix too much, and while still, getting the look that I want. But what I really like about this is that every nail is going to be different. Just like with any other, like acrylic or gel or whatever else you can marble, every nail is going to look different. So you can get a different look without it being too different. So the marble is just going to look different on each nail, and it just gives it that kind of unique look. So why I wanted to do this one, I just wanted to do just to show you guys a different color, because the ones that I have on in the video, and yeah, I lost a nail, guys. You see that? I'm so mad about that. But anyway, I just wanted to do like a little bit darker color. It's fall now, so it's no longer summer, so fall colors, of course. So I just wanted to do this again. Like I said, I just really love these nails, this marble nails. So that's why I wanted to do another one. But anywho, yeah, so what you're watching is just you watching me do the marbling on all the nails. And also another tip, the way I'm doing it here, I am actually, I do like these first 3 nails, and then I think I go ahead and do the pinky too. But what happens is if you let them sit for too long, the polygel will start to run or move. It doesn't, not fast, like it's not runny, but it does tend to move if you leave it and let it sit too long. So what I do is after I do a few of them, then I'll go in and maybe flash cure for like 10-15 seconds so that I could get it to stay the way I want it, because if it moves, then you do kind of lose your marble. It does change. So you want to flash cure it, so that it stays where it is, and then your marble will stay at what you did. So you see me here actually going back and patting the nail down because the polygel has moved. So I'm just going back in and trying to fix them, back the way I want it, get the polygel nice and straight and, without moving, and then I can flash cure. So I did that, and then I actually did do the pinky first, and then I flash cured them, and in the light, like I said, 10-15 seconds, and then you will cap them in clear. So when you cap in clear, that's when you build your structure and you know, build your nail the way it needs to be for strength. But anyway, so you see me here just doing the pinky nail. And then, like I said, after that, I'm going to come back and I actually, the ring finger, the one, I put flowers on that, the dried flowers, and I didn't record putting the polygel on because I forgot to hit freaking record. So you'll see me come back and just putting the flowers on. And the way I do that, I just put the polygel on first, do the marble however I want, and then I actually put the flowers on and then flash cure, because the flowers stick really well to the wet polygel. So that's just kind of a tip. But here I am right now. I've done the marbling on the ring finger now. This is after I flash cured the other ones. And I've done the marbling here, and you just see me sticking the flowers to the polygel, and then I'll actually flash cure that so that they stick. So you don't have to mess with glue or any of that. You just put them onto the polygel, flash cure, and they're stuck. Then you can come back and encapsulate. So you'll see me here. I just put the flowers, cure for 10 seconds, and then now it's time to cap these bad boys. So I'm just going in now with the clear, and I only show you me capping one nail because just for the sake of the length of the video. So I only show you one nail, but it's basically the same for every nail. You want to cap it in clear, and like I said before, build your structure, your apex, all that good stuff, build your strength, and then you're done. You cure them with a final cure for 60 seconds, and then you are done. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch for the rest of the video. I've talked longer in this video than I have in any other video. I hope you guys are still here with me watching. But anyway, I appreciate all of you guys for watching. Don't forget to go enter my giveaway that I have going on. I will link that, of course, like I've been doing, in the cards. Also go follow me on Instagram at Mello'Z_Nailz. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.